you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner, Instagram, YouTube, all of social media, and welcome back to Vlogmas day number 5. It's crazy, it's already 5. But as you can tell today with my appearance, I am so tired. I went to bed pretty late. I couldn't sleep probably because of the nap that I took. Like, I took a really good nap yesterday during the day, so I struggled with going to sleep, but it's okay. I ended up going to sleep like around midnight, maybe like 12:30, and today I didn't have to be up, or at least logged into work, until 8:30, so that's not too bad. And right now it is, let me check, 8:25, so I have a couple minutes just to talk to you all. And I made me a coffee in my Happy Planner mug. It's so cute. I think it's been like out for maybe 3 weeks or so. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's still available. So if you want a mug like that, it's available on the Happy Planner website. I'll go ahead and link it down below. But I love it so much. It's so cute. It's like the perfect size because it's not too small and it's not too big. But anyways, I am excited for today. There's not much going on today, if I'm being honest. But I have work. Matthew's not feeling well at all. I really don't know what's wrong with him, but he had an appointment today with his dentist, and I don't even know if he's going to be able to go to that. That's how bad it is. So he's just feeling like body aches, body pains, very similar to what I feel, which is quite concerning. I don't know if he's going to want to go to the doctors to try to get checked out, try to get in. It is towards the end of the year, so it is kind of frustrating with like medical insurance on how all that works, because everything would apply towards deductible since he hasn't met anything. So it would be a very expensive visit, but it'd be good to know what's going on. So we'll definitely figure all that out. We had plans to, so I think I told you all, but my Christmas tree is up, but there's a piece, like a section from the top, like all around, that is not lighting up. So Matthew's suspicion is that one of the little bulbs is out, so he needs to replace that. But he tried to do that on Saturday, and then he's been feeling bad since then. So we haven't been able to do that. I'm probably honestly gonna go ahead and decorate it as is. It does make me really sad that not all the lights are on, but it's just a little section. I can work around it and it's fine. So that is the plan for later today. For myself, as long as I don't feel sick. It really sucks that the both of us are not doing well, but we'll figure it out. And then also another thing that's not being built today either, which bums me out, but you know, my husband comes first and his health, is my desk. So I don't even know when all that's gonna get figured out. It's just, I'm really concerned for Matthew. So if you believe, if you pray, definitely send out some prayers to us for Matthew, his health, and just for strength for the both of us, because it's really challenging. I have rheumatoid arthritis also, or I have rheumatoid arthritis. We don't know what's wrong with Matthew, so I struggle a lot. You know, it comes in and out, and flare-ups happen quite often, so it's really hard. I don't know what we would do if the both of us are sick with something similar. So it's really challenging. I'm praying myself and trying to stay strong, but it's gonna get hard. So definitely send out a prayer to us. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and log into work, because so far I have 2 minutes before I have to log in, and my battery is now, it's not dying, but it's close to. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and log into work, get started, and then I'll bring you along. I haven't written in my planner just yet. I wanted to show you all, and then this morning has been a little rough, so maybe later on during the day I can show you all how I write in my planner. So anyways, talk to y'all later. Totally not the best mall we could be going to, but Matthew needs to get his prescription filled. Right, Matthew?
Yeah, it's the ghetto.
No, we already got all the kids' gifts. looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay, hey you guys, so we're back home from doing some little errands here and there. So Matthew got his glasses. He's gonna get new lenses on his frames, and here to place the order, all that stuff. But what I figured we could do right now before I close out the vlog is put some stockings together. So I'm pretty sure I've told you all I have a niece and nephew. They're twins, right? Yeah, they're twins. They're twins, and so they're obviously the same age. And I've been buying things here and there to put in their stockings, and I thought I had stockings here at home, but honestly, with like not taking out the Christmas decorations yet and everything with the Christmas tree, I just figured we went to the store and found some pretty decent looking stockings, and I think I'm just gonna fill them up right now and kind of at least get those out of the way so I can take them to my parents' house and they can wait for the kids there. So this is what they look like. They're pretty simple. I'm thinking maybe later on I can go, maybe not today, but like maybe during the weekend I can go to either like Walmart or Target, and they have like the letter ornament, and I can maybe add their initials, like the, you know, I think that would be really cute. So let me show you all what I've accumulated so far. I have still some toys that I had bought them. So this is something that I had bought the boy, his name is Axel, and I had bought the exact same kind of set for the little girl and my niece, but it was Hello Kitty. But when we had bought the Hello Kitty one, they didn't have one for a boy, so we found that one this past weekend. And then I ordered them these. They're only 2. They're about to be 3 in June. So I figured this is age appropriate for them to ride in and to just have fun with it. So let me show you all some of the goodies and fun things that I bought for them. I had bought them Play-Doh not too long ago, and they really, that's my dog communicating, and they really enjoyed Play-Doh. So I bought them 2 cans each with some little Christmas cutters. I figured they could we could roll it out together, and then they can make cutouts of like Christmas stuff. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I think it'll be cute for them. You know, stocking stuffers, especially for kids. It's like little knickknacks that you can find. I found these at Target. They're, I don't even know what these are called. What are these called, Matthew? Slinkies?
Yeah,
Slinkies, and one of them is pink and the other one is green. So boy and girl. You okay over there, Matthew?
Yeah.
And I found them these, they're like tattoo body art. And then this one is tattoo body art. So this one is for a boy, it's Batman, I mean boy or girl, whatever. But this one is little tattoos. And this one is nail and body art set. So you can put little stickers on your nails, or these bigger ones are for like your hands or arm or something. So that's really cute. I bought them these at Target. Figured obviously how to put some money in there, but it's chocolate. There's some more chocolate, which obviously not going to give them all the chocolate at once because they will go insane. And then we went to, let me see, we went to the 99-cent store just a few minutes ago. I didn't record anything in there, but I did find, well, Matthew found these. These are like some little stampers. There's a 4-pack, so I can divide it out between them. I found these are just the chocolate stirring spoons, and I figured I could just take these over because I bought them some cute little cups for Christmas Day that they can use with like chocolate or something. Probably not give them hot cocoa, but like chocolate milk or something. And then I found some of these, which I'm pretty sure they'll enjoy. And I feel like I may need something else to stick in there, but I'll figure that out later. I also bought myself some whiteout because I was running out, and Matthew bought some snacks. But that is all we got, and I'm gonna stick some stuff in these stocking stuffers. I wonder if maybe I can put these in the stocking stuffers. as a stocking stuffer, because we have like 11 gifts for each kid. So that's a lot of gifts. So maybe I can put these in their stockings. I don't know. I'll see. I'll figure that out. But my dad is texting me. I don't know. Anyways, let me go ahead and figure this out. Matthew, what do you think about putting one of these, the little tablet thingies, in their stockings?
Yeah.
Right?
They look really cool.
They're like kind of individually wrapped, so.
Yeah.
It's weird that they came in one box. Like both of them came in one box. Cute. And I think it would go down here. So it has like the top section up here for the pencil itself, but I think it also has like a little hole down here. So I'm just gonna stick it through that. And these were really, really, really inexpensive. They were like, how much was it, Matthew? Like $12 for both?
Something like that.
Something like that. So I just think even if they don't, oh, it's already interesting. So you can just like write on it, and then on the back it has like an eraser lock. You just press the button down here like it feels like a little iPad, and it erases. That is so cute. Okay, so that is ready for him, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing for, interesting. Maybe I can write like his name. That'll be cute. This is so cute, like such a cute little idea for a boy. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this in here, and his little slinky. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna ruin it. Oh well. Okay, his little slinky. I already put his little tattoo thingy in there. I'm gonna put the Play-Doh down at the bottom, and then some chocolates. Oh, I honestly did not grow up doing stockings. That wasn't something that my parents did. It's just not anything that they grew up doing. So this is something that Matthew's mom has done for us, and even as an adult. So it's something that I actually enjoy a lot. So since I like it so much and it's so much fun, I want to do it for the kids too. And I don't know if their mom does anything for them that's like a stocking, but I figured every year I'm gonna make them one too. Oh, and the bunch of monies. Cute. I think it still needs more stuff, but at least I know what it looks like. That's mainly what I wanted to do, is like fill it up a little bit and know how much more I would need. Oh, and these too, but I was gonna open these for them. These are the little stamps, so I figured I can give 1 and 1. So they can have these. Okay. Cool. So then now it is Lonnie's. How cute. Okay, so it came with stickers. That's really nice. So these are little dinosaurs, and there's 2 of them, dinosaurs and unicorns. So I'm gonna put the little dinosaurs in Axel's bag. That's really sweet. And in Lonnie's, I'll give her the unicorns. Okay. So I'm gonna do the same thing for her and attach the pencil now, so I don't have to do this for them that day. And it also comes with extra batteries, so that's really nice. Here, originally I thought this video was gonna be really short, and turns out it's gonna be longer. I'm gonna have to cut this down so you don't have to sit and watch me struggle.
Yay.
What?
No, we don't have to sit there and watch you struggle.
Hey. There's that, and then I got her the 2 Play-Dohs. Oh, where's the other battery? Right here. Her little stickers, like the little body art things. And the stickers that the little tablet things included. Her slinky. Her plate cutters. 2 of these little popsicles. Even if they don't eat them, I don't really care. They just look cute. These 2 stamps. These are scary for her, but I'm sure she'll wear them. A chocolate, little Santa chocolate. Ooh, my camera's about to die. And this thing, so. Yay, that's perfect. Okay, so that is gonna be all for today. So, especially since my camera is dying. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you wanna watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.